Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am with you Pratim. Now friends, today in this video I am going to show you that how you can prepare a homemade night cream. Now friends, you get a lot of night creams in the market, but why would you need to go to the market when you can prepare a night cream that is very effective in your home very easily? Now friends, please remember that for the night cream to work well, you have to sleep well. Now after you apply the night cream and before going to bed, put off all your thoughts and tensions and sleep well, and then you will find yourself rejuvenated, a new self, yourself the next day. Now friends, so let's move on and see that how we can prepare this very effective night cream, and this has been developed by my wife Athena. Now friends, to make this cream we have taken 100 grams of peanut, and now we will soak it in plain water. Now you have to soak it in plain water and leave it for 7 to 8 hours. Now friends, we have come back after 8 hours. You can see that how these nuts have swollen up. Now what you have to do is just thoroughly drain the water out and then thoroughly dry it in the sun. Now friends, as you can see, we have completely dried out these peanuts in sunlight. Now do remember that never ever just roast the peanuts to dry it out. You have to dry it out in natural sunlight. Now see, we have to take the peels of these peanuts. It's coming off easily. So you have to take the peels of all the peanuts. Friends, we have taken the peels out of all the peanuts. Now if you dry it very thoroughly in the sun, the peels will come out very easily. Otherwise it will be a bit difficult. Now friends, we will now make the cream. Take a mixer and then add to it the 100 grams of peanuts. Now friends, we will be adding to it olive oil to the peanuts. Now friends, as you can see, we have made the paste. Now friends, take a fresh and dry container and add the paste to it. Fill the container with the paste. Now add to it 1 teaspoon of glycerin. And then you have to mix it very well. Mix it well. Mix the glycerin with the paste very well, and your cream will be ready. Now friends, you have to apply this cream on your face just before going to bed, and if you want, you can add a bit of rose water to the cream while applying the cream. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please like and share.